Yes, for class 2, I am preparing this one, especially computer studies, those who are doing computer studies for them. They must be knowing, especially the juniors, yes, how to start a computer. It was very essential because whenever you go to lab, uh, all of a sudden you don't switch on anything rather than the steps you have to follow. So you must have the particular idea how to open or how to rather start a computer. So how to start a computer, this is a chapter you're having, and this is a how you start, that is also very important. And the first thing you must be knowing that what is a computer, and you know that computer is an electronic device. So if, over here the picture you can find the CPU is there, the monitor is there, and keyboard is there. So these are the three essential parts. Plus one, you need the mouse to operate, because since GUI, graphical user interface, you have the Windows, which is the operating system, you know. And so now these are the components of a particular computer that must be present in a computer. And now what are the extra things that you have? The steps to start a computer, you will find there is a main power switch, yes, the switchboard, yes, this is a small one and this has been enlarged, and you can see the switchboard over here. And what actually is the first point, you have to switch on the yes, the power supply. So switch on the main power supply button. So once you switch on, yes, what happens, this is linked with the particular power will be linked with the UPS, uninterrupted power supply. So the constant power supply will be given by this UPS. This is the picture shown, and this is a point number 2 that should be after this you must switch on the button of the switch on the UPS. So you must press this switch on the button and the power will be coming. So from here it is going to the CPU, that is central processing unit, and from the central processing unit it is going to the monitor, and you have the cable over here for the keyboard and the mouse. There may be remote mouse and remote keyboard, so then in that case there is no cables as such. Then what is the third point? The third point is that you must be switching on the particular CPU, that is the central processing unit. This is a whole unit. So once you switch on the CPU button over here, what you find is that the monitor is not on, so you must switch on the monitor. I have enlarged this one to show the monitor switch over here. Monitor switch is over here. You can, there's a sleek one, LCD monitor, and once you click that, this is the fourth point. Yes, and fourth point is switch on the monitor button. We will find the welcome screen of Windows. So it may be Windows anything, Windows there are various versions of Windows. So Windows 10 is there, Windows 11 is there, whatever is the version, it will come on the Windows screen. So the steps to start a computer, very well, I have told you that firstly switch on, yes, number 1, switch on the main power supply. Then after that you go and switch on the UPS, and from the UPS the distribution of the current is there to the CPU. So you switch on the CPU, and from the CPU automatically the monitor will be switched on, and the keyboard and the mouse is plug and play, so it will automatically be on, and the booting starts. The process by which the computer booting means the process by which the operating system is loaded to the computer's memory. So once the booting starts, what will happen, you will find the Windows screen there. Finally we will find the screen of Windows, and that's all for your class. Thank you. Yes, and then some important things, and once you switch on the components of the computer, if I tell you, it will be easier. That is, desktop comes in. What is a desktop? Once the computer is switched on, we have seen what will happen. We get the first display screen known as the desktop. Now coming to the next point, what is an icon? You will find the desktop is covered with icons, main icons, my PC you will find, okay, and recycle bin you will find. So an icon is a small graphical design of a program, so it can be any program shown on the desktop over here. These are the icons, yes, all are pictures like structure, those are icons. Example, this PC. So this is all about class 2 and computer studies. Thank you everyone. Hope you understand how to start a computer and you know how to start. Thank you.